Alright, we got a pretty interesting little install here. You can see ductwork coming down, the return ductwork coming down on the side. You can see the filter inside, and then you've got the furnace sitting on a couple of cinder blocks. You can see we got a naked coil inside the ductwork, and all of this ductwork is heavy old stuff, all of it. It's a very wide furnace. This is a 24-inch furnace with 27 inches deep. And you have an 80% GKUA 150-MSN, serial number CB5D307, F46930937. It's an 80%. 150,000 BTUs in, which is huge for this house. Mark, what's the square footage of the house?
1,025 feet upstairs, not counting the basement.
Right.
So it's actually double.
Well, yeah, for heat, it's not double, though, because the basement, you don't add that much heat or air conditioning because you're insulated with the ground. You don't really add much. So when you talk about downstairs space, you don't even really count it.
Right.
Doesn't take anything to heat it. All right, well, there you go. 150,000 BTUs for a 1,000 square foot house. So that's huge. I'm gonna walk outside. Well, no, I'm not.